Welcome to this yoga session to open the Crown Chakra or Sahasrara. I'm Gillavry. I'm a yoga teacher and a theory provider, tension and trauma releasing exercises, and it would be great if you would like to subscribe to my channel. The Sahasrara chakra symbolizes unity, spiritual connection. The color is white, violet, and the location is the crown of the head. The element is thought, pure consciousness. The seventh chakra symbolizes unity. When the Sahasrara chakra is open and balanced, you have a more positive outlook on life. There are visible changes in your attitude and emotions, like gratitude, compassion, and acceptance of your true self. This kind of spiritual awakening can positively impact you both emotionally and physically. A person with a blocked crown chakra may experience unwillingness to be open to other ideas, thoughts, or knowledge. Dissociation from your body and feeling ungrounded are also common signs that your head chakra is blocked. I invite you to sit comfortably on a chair, a cushion, some blocks, or just on your yoga mat. Close your eyes if that's okay for you, or otherwise keep a soft gaze over your nose a few meters in front of you on the floor. And bring your awareness to the crown of your head and breathe deeply. Then we start our affirmation to open up the crown chakra. I am connected to the divine. I am one with all that is. I am connected to the divine. I am one with all that is. We start with a seated cat-cow, with gentle spinal waves to release tension and to open the energy flow. On the inhale, we come into cow pose, and on an exhale, come into cat pose. Inhale, drop the belly, radiate the heart forward, shoulders back. Exhale, navel in and up, roll the spine up and chin to chest. And we repeat this, inhale, cow pose, and exhale, cat pose. And the last time, inhale, cow pose, and exhale, cat pose. And then we bring our spine to neutral. Your left hand on the floor, stretch your right hand out, elongate the spine and bend to the left and radiate your heart upwards. Inhale, come back to center, bring your right hand on the floor, inhale, stretch your left arm out, exhale and bend to the left and radiate your heart upwards. Inhale, come back again and back. Left hand on the floor, stretch your right arm out and bend to the left. Inhale, come back and bring your arm down. Stretch your left arm out. Exhale, bend to the left and radiate your heart up and back to center again. Then on an inhale, we bring our arms in a V shape. We elongate the spine, and on an exhale, we make a twist to the left and roll your shoulder down. Inhale back to center, V shape, and exhale, twist to the other side and roll the shoulders down. Inhale, arms in a V shape again, hands together in a namaste and hands to heart. The seated twist releases stagnation and encourages clarity. We'll now transition from sitting to standing in slow movement, toes tucked under. We come into a yogi squat. Then we bring our tailbone up with bended knees, hands in the waistline, tuck your navel in and up and come to standing. Our hand palms are facing forward, the tailbone is facing down, chin is almost horizontal, just slightly facing down, shoulders are rolled down and away and the crown of the head is facing upwards. Stand tall, the hands together at the heart, feeling grounded and yet expansive. And notice your breath. Then we point the fingers down, roll them through. On the inhale, arms up and overhead, and stretch yourself out, and hands to heart. We do this once more, roll the hands through, arms up and overhead on an inhale, stretch yourself out, and hands to heart. Then bring your hands beside your body. And we come into tree pose. First we lift the right leg and bring it to your thigh or at your calf. Hands to heart, bring your arms up. Balance gently, imagining a column of light from the crown upwards. Lift your right leg and bring it down. And shake your legs out for a moment. We do the same thing on the other side. Placing your tongue at the roof of your mouth can help you to keep stability. So we do this again on the other side. We bring the weight on our right leg and we lift the left leg. Bring it on the inside of a thigh or calf. Hands together and bring them up on an inhale. Visualizing a column of light from the crown upwards. Bring your left leg down and sway your legs out. Then we come to stillness, bring the hands for the heart, and take a moment to observe your breath. And then we transition to a seated position. We bring our feet wider than hip width distance apart, with the toes pointed outwards. We bring our hands on the floor and behind our sit bones, and we transition to seated. I take a cushion to make myself a little bit more comfortable. Bring your right hand on your left hand with the hand palms facing upwards and the thumb touching each other into Dhyana Mudra. The Sahasrara symbolizes a lotus flower with thousands of leaves or actions a person undertakes to achieve enlightenment. Now softly chant Om, allowing vibrations to expand from your crown into infinite space. Take a slow breath in. Om. In our chakra series, you have traveled through the energy centers of your being in a circular movement. Each chakra carries its own lesson, gift and affirmation, but together they form a complete system, a luminous bridge between earth and sky, body and soul, self and universe. As you return to the affirmations, notice how they evolve with you. Trust the rhythm of your journey. Healing is not linear but cyclical, like the breath. Thank you for exploring the Crown Chakra with me. And please subscribe to my channel if you like these sessions. That would really be helpful. Bring the hands to the heart. Roll them through. Inhale, arms up and overhead. Namaste and hands to heart. Namaste.